Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Yes, my beautiful people, the family of the deceased late Mr. Michael Usifo Ataga has called for restraint and assistance to solve this particular case. Una sabi say this matter na painful one. They lost a loved one, my beautiful people, and they undergo pain, and they don't call on restraint from bloggers and social media platforms. Say make them let this matter low lie, make them let them mourn in peace, and let the police continue their investigation, my beautiful people. Una sabi say na painful matter, and easy for take overcome am, especially when every day, every hour, every second the matter they take the pop for social media. Next matter we go talk about, my people, na this one for our Nollywood actress when na Tonto Dike, as she come reveal to us her sugar boo, my beautiful people. Hey, finally we have seen the lover behind King Tonto. Yes, my people, she come out on his special day, come celebrate her as the man is the turn +1. So guys, if not the first time this way this stop for this channel, you're welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Grab a seat and enter with your popcorn. Don't forget for subscribe and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. My people, make we dive for the matter already. So as una listen, na few hours ago where this matter come out, this family writes bonga long note, they restrain bloggers and social media platforms. My people, make I read and make we listen. The gruesome mother of our beloved son Michael Usifo Ataga. Here are the facts. A little over a week ago, unknown persons savagely killed our beloved son, Usifo Ataga, with no regard for him or his family, who loved him. They viciously ended his life. His children will grow up to read unkind, thoughtless words from thousands of people who have joined the lynching party in the press and the blogosphere. Our aging parents must now struggle to pick up the pieces amid a cacophony of misinformation propagated by strangers. A suspect has been arrested and paraded before the press. We, the Ataga family, are grateful to the Nigerian police for pursuing this investigation. However, like you, we have many unanswered questions. Some things don't add up. If you have any information, don't hide behind online posts. Instead, come forward and share it with the police. Yes, what we do know, the more you add to the false information in the press and on social media, the harder it is for the Nigerian police to do your work and fully solve this case. The harder it is for a grieving family to recover from the loss of their beloved son. We ask sincerely that you let us grieve this terrible loss with some privacy. The past week and a half has been the worst period of our lives. Thank you, Dr. Usifo Ataga, for the Ataga's family. So my beautiful people, una don't hear how the family don't come out, come restrain bloggers and social media platforms, say make them let this matter be. Now painful matter now, especially for his mother, my people. Una imagine this mother, she be don't already come out, come celebrate her child 50th birthday before she can realize say the child self, he no see the 50th birthday, he lego before days just before their birthday, my beautiful people. Una sabi say this matter no easy as e dey like that. No matter wetin the man do, whether in cheat or in no cheat, we know say he no supposed to pay with in life, because him no be the first person for take cheat. Yes, another way be dey wey he be fit take pay. And una sabi say this matter, the way e dey na stigma wey he don't take be just tack am so to his family life, that of his children and his wife. They go actually grow up to a lot of hateful speech, a lot of insult, with the tack way the death of their father don't put am for their body. The family dey in pain and they beg say make people let this matter down, as in let go of this matter, let them mourn. Say if you get any information, they make you come for police, come talk say me know this about this, like I have found that information, no be wetin you see for social media. As the family take talk, my beautiful people, I see am, I say no, make I bring am out, come talk. Say the family dey beg us say make we stop, like na true say unanswered questions dey, and na true say certain things no dey add up for the matter, but e get as e dey, make we let them and let the police resolve the matter. My people, wetin una think about this one? Make una write for comment section. Wetin una think about am? Make we dive for the next matter jejely. So my beautiful people, the next matter na about this our Nollywood actress Tonto Dike, wey she don come out come show her lover boo, as in she don come out come show us her sugar boo. My people, she talk say happy birthday to the love of my life. I hope you get everything your heart desires, because that's exactly what you're giving me. You are twice as sweet as any birthday cake. You make every day feel like my birthday, except I don't need to blow out any candle because my wish already came true. Hey my people, now they hear the matter. My people, the matter there. Now so as it talks, so my people come out, come they talk, they jubilate, they say something there, this one where this matter don't come meet us for outside, so now want for take celebrate. My people, she no end and there. She continue. She say your smile is a cause for celebration. Your love is the most precious gift in the world. Your kisses could light 1,000 birthday candles. I wanted to give you all my love for your birthday, but there's no box big enough to hold it. Besides, it's already yours. Happy birthday to a man who makes life itself feel like, hey, a special occasion. My people, now see how she takes celebrate her man. This our Nollywood actress, she shall be use words, the words she dey use, it can make anybody take tumble side. She say if she won't gift her love already, but there is no box enough. That is, the box no reach for take contain the love she take get her for her man. She dey celebrate her, my beautiful people. She come again, come talk say you showed me that love is best presented as true as they come. You put a spring in my steps. Falling in love with you is like the wildest roller coaster ride. Because of you, I have gotten to appreciate the finer things in life. Thank you for making me a better woman. My people, what do you not think about this matter? I see her, I take celebrate with her. I feel happy, my beautiful people. So my people, make una write for comment section wetin una think about this second matter wey we don put am, and I go stop this video for here, my people. But before I go, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to be notified. As of now, my beautiful people, I'm out. I'll see you in my next video. Choose. Love you all.